Hello friends, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas, certified dermatologist from India. So to know why is Shah Rukh Khan wearing a shawl looking at the holsters like that. So watch this video till the end. Is among the given images, you need to identify Gottrons sign, and if you have marked it as option B, very good, you are right. And Gottrons sign is basically a part of, it is seen in dermatomyositis, which is a connective tissue disorder where there will be inflammation in the skin and also there will be involvement of the muscles, proximal muscle weakness will be there. And if you look at all the images, actually all the images are seen are part of dermatomyositis. Option A is heliotrope rash, option C is V sign which can be seen in dermatomyositis, option D is shawl sign, all the students. So Gottrons sign, Gottrons papule, there is a small difference. Gottrons sign is violaceous macular erythema. It is neither raised nor depressed, and this can be seen mainly in the interphalangeal and metacarpophalangeal joints in dermatomyositis patients, whereas Gottrons papules, so the name itself is self-explanatory. The violaceous, erythema will be there, and along with the erythema, there will be also papular lesions. The sites are basically the same sites, IP and MCP joints. These can also be found at other sites, but these are the classical sites. And heliotrope rash, violaceous macular erythema will be situated periorbital site. And the same violaceous macular erythema, if it is found over the upper back, then we are going to call it as shawl sign. And this was the image which I have kept of Shah Rukh Khan wearing a shawl. Okay, and there is a violaceous macular erythema. If it develops over the V area of the neck, we call it as V sign. And if the violaceous macular erythema is seen over the lateral aspect of the thigh, we call it as holster sign. Why? Because holsters are nothing but the pouches in which guns are carried out by usually police officers. Okay, so this is called as holster sign. And if you know the finding of dermatomyositis, which is non-inflammatory, which you are able to see in this picture, do comment your answer in the comments below. And one of the students came up with antibodies. You can see the student answered Gottrons papules are associated with anti-Jo1 antibodies, but there is a small correction which has to be made for this comment. Anti-Mi2 antibodies are associated with Gottrons papules. Not only that, heliotrope rash and also shawl sign. Okay, anti-Jo1 antibodies are associated with muscle, that is myositis, and also the hand finding, that is mechanics hands, and also interstitial lung disease, ILD, interstitial lung disease. So these are the ones which whichever I underlined are the important ones: anti-Mi2, Gottrons papules, heliotrope rash, and shawl sign. Okay, this could be a future MCQ. So this is the reference, and this is tomorrow's MCQ. Just pause this video, try to guess what is the answer, and put your answer in the comment section. Till this point, happy learning dermatology. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpadam. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Bye bye.